In section 7.5, you'll be working with two concepts, conditional probability and independence. Both of these concepts are very important in the business world. Conditional probability is finding the probability of an event given a certain condition. So businesses often want to know what is the probability that a customer would purchase their item. But they also might want to know what's the probability that a customer purchases their item given that customer is in their 20s or given that customer is in their 40s. And so those are conditional probabilities in which we're looking at the probability of a subgroup rather than the whole group. And so what that's going to change is the denominator. So in this class, an example might be what's the probability of drawing a queen from a deck, which would be 4 out of 52. But if we said what's the probability of drawing a queen from a deck given that we know the card drawn is a face card? So that probability would be 4 out of 12 because there's 12 face cards. So since we know the card is a face card, that changes the denominator to 12 from 52. We'll also be looking at independence, which looks at whether events are related to one another. So back to the earlier example, if customers in their 20s and customers in their 40s were equally likely to purchase your product, then purchasing the product and age group would be independent events. And so that might be something a business wants to know. In this class, we'll be dealing with strict independence, which means the events have to be 100% independent for them to count as independent. In statistics, it's not quite the same. So if you take a statistics course, you'll probably learn about the chi-square test of independence, which tests not if things are exactly independent, but are they close enough to being independent? So with that, I'll leave you to work on section 7.5.